Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk to you guys about the companies that have been offering jobs in March 2021, plus a website through which you can earn online. Okay, now let's start with the companies that are offering jobs in this month. The first is ESSELUNGA. You guys just have to go at the page ESSELUNGA Lavora con Noi, and the jobs will be popped up. Okay, but before applying for any job, you guys have to log in to this website, and then you guys can have the list of following jobs here. And the second is FERRERO group. They're also offering the jobs in March. And the third is NESTLE EVERVE con Noi. Okay, these three are the companies that are offering the jobs in March. You guys can hurry up and apply for these vacancies. Now I would move to the second part of this video, that is, we will talk about the website through which we can earn online. And that website name is EVERVE. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's EVERVE, I think so. Okay, number one social media exchange by EVERVE. Click at the link. Okay, I will add this to my Chrome. This is an extension. Add to Chrome. Aggiungi estensione. Once it's being added, then you can open it. Now I will go to its dashboard. As you guys can see that I have already logged in with my email. Now as you guys can see that I have earned this much amount of the money. I have just started the work yesterday for the first time. Okay, now I will tell you guys that how you can perform the tasks at this website. Go at this icon, like perform tasks. Okay, there are the various tasks that are linked here. You guys have to exchange the traffic, Twitter followers, Twitter likes, YouTube views, YouTube likes. I will click at this YouTube views or YouTube likes. Okay, this is the task. I have to fulfill it by just clicking at this button, because the task was just only to like the video. And once you have completed the task, the amount you earned will be visible here, as this task have this much amount of the money. So yes, that's it for the video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and comment below about what type of content would you like to watch on my channel. One thing more, do not forget to press the bell icon. In that case you will be able to receive notifications of my coming up videos.